It was a peaceful morning in the forest. Birds were singing. The wind was calm, but somewhere hunger was crying. A weak crow sat silently on a branch. His babies were starving, waiting for food. Just then, a kind parrot arrived. He saw the crow's pain and asked nothing. The parrot flew across the forest, searching for fruits and grains, not for himself, but for those hungry little lives. He gently fed the crow's babies. Their cries turned into hope, and the forest felt alive again. The crow's eyes filled with tears, because sometimes the biggest help comes from those who don't even owe us anything. The parrot said only one thing: the forest doesn't survive on fights, it survives on kindness. So remember, help others, because kindness always returns.